Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the language in your Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Edge browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong 3 dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung languages. Click mo lang siya. And then next, dito lang sa pinakauna, makikita mo dito yung languages and prepared languages. Kung paano tayo mag-change or add. So dito lang sa right side, click mo lang tong add languages. And then mag-pop up ito mga kaibigan. So andito lahat yung iba't ibang klase ng language. Okay, so pwede kang mag-select dito. So click mo lang tong box or pwede kang mag-search languages. So for example, search lang tayo. Ayan, so search mo yung English, so na dito lahat yung iba't ibang klase ng English with the corresponding country. Okay, so select ka lang dito, click mo lang yung box, and then click mo lang tong add, and then automatic mga kaibigan, makita mo kagad dito na na-add na siya. Alright, so click mo lang tong 3 dot, and then pwede mo itong i-move to the top or i-move to down, and then pwede mo naman itong i-remove. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Right, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-change ng language of Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.